Hello, in this session you will be learning how to create an isometric object which is shown in this drawing with the help of Extrude protrusion command. So example 1, this object is 3D object in the isometric view, and this is a 2D drawing. The length of 120 mm and 10 mm thickness. The center point of these two circles, which is 30 mm and 60 mm from this edge. So let us begin this particular exercise without wasting of time. To switch over from this Word file to Mastercam, if you are already opened the Mastercam, then you press Alt Tab and then just leave this so that it will open the Mastercam software. So in this software, we're going to learn how to create the object. So for that, we have to understand the various commands. So here, create line and endpoint. When you click on this, you will open this particular options, that is X point, Y and Z point you have to mention, that is the origin, and then you can give the 120 mm distance and then angle 0 degree. So here we're going to select the front view. I'm going to create the drawing which is created in the front as shown as per the drawing. So when I select the front view, you can see here this is a selected as a graphic is top and the construction plane is front. In this case, you have to select this as a front so that now both the views should be same, that is front and front view. So this is the graphic view and this is the construction plane. So that's how you're going to creating an object. तो यहाँ पे देखो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है ये प्लेन पे जो ऑब्जेक्ट पे बनाना है वो प्लेन सेलेक्ट करना है, और ये जो ऑप्शंस है फॉर व्यूइंग द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज ऑन फ्रंट प्लेन. सो दोनों प्लेन सेम रहना चाहिए. वन इज व्यू एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन प्लेन, बोथ शुड बी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट द लाइन कमांड हमने जो सेलेक्ट किया है और उसका सेंटर पॉइंट जो है यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं और लेंथ 120 mm डिफाइन करना है. सो यहाँ पे 120 mm डायमेंशन डालना है और एंटर, and then angle is 0 degree and enter. So now this created 120 mm length and press apply on this plus sign, and then vertical 10 mm. Again you have to enter 10 mm here, the distance, and then 90 degree on the bow, that's 90. Again apply, and then again create a 120 mm length towards left side, so 120 mm, and then 180 degree towards left side, this is 120, and then apply, and then select this endpoint and this endpoint, and then apply, and then to exit from this command click on this OK button. Now we have created this object. You can use this fit option, that is zoom all, and with the mouse middle button you can scroll it according to requirement, or else you can click here, that is zoom in, so that you can enlarge the screen. After that I have to create a two circle over here. The distance from this origin 60 mm and 30 mm. So select the command from create arc and circle, or either you can select the shortcut from here, the standard toolbars, that is create circle, and then select the point. For that you have to enter here this geometry coordinate system, that is x is 60 and y is 30 mm distance, and then z is 0. So now we have created this particular center point, and then the diameter is 30. So this is how we are creating a 30 diameter circle, and then apply. Again you have to create another. For that you can select the center point which is already defined here, click here, and then so the diameter is 60 or radius, that is 30. So once you create this, you can exit from this command by just click on OK. Now you can see this with the fit zoom. After that we have to create a vertical line here, and then 4 mm radius, that is fillet, you have to create on both sides. So as per the drawing shown, that's again we can see the quick this drawing here. So we have created this two circle and this bottom thickness of 10 mm. Now we have to create a vertical from this quadrant to this around 20 mm, and this side also quadrant to 20 mm, and then create a 4 mm fillet on both sides. Again you can switch over to Mastercam. Now go to line command and select this quadrant and vertical about 20 mm distance, which is mentioned here, this one. So this is 20 mm. Again apply, and when you click on apply, you are exiting from this feature to another next feature of creating line, and then select here. So then apply and OK. Now we can provide a fillet on these two corner. Before that, I can remove these unwanted the profile or features with the trim command. Select this trim command. You can see here trim and delete option. You can just select on this particular, delete this and this one, or you can delete this also, and just click on this profile and remove this. Okay, so I have removed this. Now next step to OK, and then fillet. So this is a fillet command entity. Select the fillet from here, or else create and fillet entity from here also you can select. So for fillet, there is a fillet radius. You can enter the 4 mm fillet here and then enter, and then there are two options. One is trim, another is a no trim. If I'm going to select the no trim, then what happens, it will create fillet by selecting these two entity, that is horizontal and vertical, so that the corner will be remained as it is. But as per the drawing which is shown, you have to trim. Select the trim option. Once it's done, so apply. Again you have to create for this side also, like it is trimmed of 4 mm typical fillet which has created, and apply. So this is how we have created on the front plane. After creating this, click on isometric and fit screen. This is how we have created as per the drawing. You can see this. So from the front view, this view has been created. You can see this. Let's go back to Mastercam. Once we complete this profile in the front view, now next step is to create a 3D object. So here you go to solid and extrude command. Click on extrude command. In this you will see the 3D object with chain method for selecting and profile to project. These are the various options for selecting. In this you have to select the chain method and click here, and then select the circle also. And once you select this, if you want to deselect, you have to unselect, click here. You can change the direction, okay, and then click on OK. And now after that you have to change this direction. Both the directions should be toward this side, because I am going to projecting this side. See, this direction and this profile direction should be same side. And with this extrude chain method, extrude, then extrude operation, create a body, cut body and add body. So first option is on for initially, and then extend by specific distance, that is 25 mm distance you can enter, and then say OK. So this is how it project. Now we have complete this particular model. I hope you have understood this entire steps and you can practice on your system. Thank you.